Hi, I'm Andres de Asa, and my goals for 2026 are three. The first is to graduate as a mechanical engineer. To do this, I need to finish the two course I'm currently taking. Um, the second, to travel through Spain and visit my dad for his birthday. I have a savings plan for this, and I will travel in October. Um, Third, to trade in my motorcycle for a new one with better technology. Finally, to start automotive electronics course with Italian brand. To achieve this, I need to save a little more and improve my English or other. Thanks you.